I know it's been a few days since I made a video. Just had a lot of things going on. I just brought these chickens some grub worms for the third day in a row. They're figuring out what they are. And I'm training them to come when they called. I say here, chick, 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 with a certain voice, and rattle the little container with grub worms in it. They know what that sound is. I'm preparing them for letting them go out that door and into the woods over there. Hopefully we won't have too many critters that want to eat them. Hopefully. As for the drought, well, it's not really over, but we got a ½ inch of rain Thursday night, 3/4 inch of rain Friday night, almost another ½ inch of rain today. You can see here where I did some more mowing the other day. Mowed them bottom fields, finished them all off. Now with the rain, things are starting to turn green again. Getting a little bit of a green color to the land. And here's these two. Bacon and sausage, my pastured pigs. Yeah, they're definitely pastured pigs. They've got close to ½ an acre of woods and weeds they get to waller around in and root stuff up in. I gave them some raw green fruit that fell off a tree. I don't blame them. I don't like those nasty things either. Remind me what those are. I keep forgetting the name of them. They're so nasty I can't even stand to say it. Very astringent. Yeah, you better drink some water. Get that taste out of your mouth. But finally, they got some wet dirt so they can root around. I opened this bottom section up down here for them, so they have a little bit more pasture for the pigs. And it took them a little while to get used to coming through this hole right here. So I think one of them bumped the electric one time, and they just don't want to come through here anymore. But now they do. As you can see, they've been coming through. They've been coming through here, rooting around in it. Guess which one got bit by the wire? I'm guessing it's him, because he still doesn't like to come down here, but Bacon sure does, don't you, Bacon? Yes, you do. Don't say no. Look at what you've been doing. Look at the mess you've been making. You've been rooting this dirt all up. I really thought you guys would tear these plants up by the roots and clean this whole area out, but that has not been the case. Of course, there's a wet stick laying right on the fence right there. I don't know if there's any safe way for me to get it up off the ground. Guess I could take this plastic container I got here, see if that works. Well, it's still touching. Not as bad. There, we got it down off of there. What's the matter, sausage? You still ain't got the nerve to come down here? Oh, you're taking a whiz. There we go. Yeah, see, even sausage comes down here now. 2 pastured pigs this year, and depending on how things go through the rest of the year, I might fence in a bigger area and have more than 2 next year. Who knows? I sure would like to see them root this up more. Get rid of some of these weeds, clear this land out a little bit so I can get in there and get that fence out of there, the old fence out of the middle. This could be the new fence back here. Yeah, root it up, buddy. Root it up. Root it up, boys. No, they're not really boys anymore. They started out as boys. Yeah, a couple of barrows. For some reason, Sausage sometimes forgets he's fixed. And he thinks his brother is a gilt. But he never really does anything. But he does try. He gives it a good shot. Anyway, I just wanted to give everybody an update on what's going on. It's been a few days. The cement guy's supposed to be here Monday. Today's Saturday. To finish the dirt work. But I think if we get much more rain, he's not going to want to be here Monday. Because it's just going to be sticky mud and he ain't going to be able to do anything anyway. But in the meantime, I can get some stuff done inside. Work a little on that bathroom remodel. Got the wood coming Monday for the addition. I'm kind of waiting on that to finish working in the bathroom because I've only got a couple 2x4s left. Thankfully the burn ban's been lifted because I've got this and more to burn, not to mention about a dozen feed bags in the shed over there. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. We need all the subscriptions we can get right now. And thanks again.